And now we start part 2 of our introduction to two-way radio. You will hear the term ham radio mentioned a number of times, and it's associated with amateur radio. So ham radio is also known as amateur radio. It is a hobby and service that allows licensed users to communicate over radio frequencies across town, country, or even the globe, sometimes without the internet or cell towers. It's like the Swiss Army knife of communication, way more powerful than walkie-talkies or CB radios and super customizable. How does the ham radio work? Ham radio operators use a transceiver, a device that both transmits and receives radio signals. The operator speaks into a microphone or uses Morse code, digital modes, etc. And the transmitter converts the sound or signal into a radio wave. These signals are broadcast as radio waves over the air. Different frequencies are used depending on the communication distance and type. The waves travel through the air, sometimes bouncing off the ionosphere for long-distance communication. The radio waves are sent out through an antenna, a key component that helps transmit the signal efficiently. Similarly, the antenna receives incoming signals when the operator listens for transmissions. How the waves are propagated. The way the signal travels is influenced by factors like frequency, time of day, weather, and the ionosphere, which can bounce radio waves back to Earth for long-distance communication, especially with high-frequency signals. To operate ham radio, individuals must have a license earned through an exam to ensure they follow regulations set by the government. For example, the FCC in the United States and the Telecommunication Authority of Trinidad and Tobago in Trinidad and Tobago for safe and responsible use of the radio spectrum. In essence, ham radio works by converting voice or data into radio signals, transmitting them over the air, and receiving responses through antennas. It's a direct, often peer-to-peer form of communication. There are different types of radios, two-way radios. The one on the extreme left resembles a walkie-talkie. It's a handheld radio, also called a handy-talkie or HT. To its right, you will see a mobile unit. This unit is normally found in vehicles. You can have them in your car or trucks and so on. And the unit on the extreme right is called a base station unit, which is an expensive one that is used in households. Now, the range can vary based on several factors, such as the power of the device, the terrain, weather conditions, and obstacles in the environment. Question time. Do we have any questions? Thank you for your time and attention.